Alright, so this is, I'm not kidding, this is like my 16th or 17th take. It's been a while since I've been in front of the camera. Oh my God. Take 18. Okay, so it's been a while since I've been in front of the camera. In this video, we are gonna be taking a look at my new car that I got as like a practice car while this car is down. Yeah, without further ado, here we go. Here's the car. So there we have it, 08 G35 HR sedan. I was specifically looking for an HR 6-speed. They're kind of hard to come by, so when this thing popped up, I grabbed it right away because it was already a really good price. So all the missing stuff, it didn't really bother me because I knew I could fix all that as long as the motor is healthy, which it is. I stuck my spare radiator on there temporarily just to like check it out. Drove it around, car runs and drives fine, no problem there. But it does need some TLC. I'm not gonna go all out with this car and make it as nice as I made my Z, because this is supposed to be a seat time car / practice car. So yeah, I got new wheels for it, new front end for it, a couple more things. So I'm not sure if I'm gonna be able to get to this video. I got coilovers for it, so we're gonna get this thing looking somewhat decent, and that's the goal for this video, is just to get this car presentable, and all the other stuff we're gonna do in another video. But yeah. Alright, so here are the wheels we're going to be running on this car, and they are 370Z stocks. So these are all rears. The rears I think are like 18 by 9, which look a lot better than the fronts. The fronts are like 18 by 8. They have a little bit more aggressive concave to them, so I think it's going to look pretty sick, especially when the car's fitment is all dialed in. But let's get them mounted and see how the car looks on it. Wheels are on. They look pretty amazing in my opinion. One of the big reasons why I got this is because I had a feeling that it was gonna be, the fitment was gonna be pretty flush with the fenders, and it was actually pretty spot on. No spacers, nothing like that, and the fitment is flush. But obviously that's not the way I like to do things, so we're gonna pull and roll those fenders as much as possible, add a spacer to get the wheels to poke out a little bit, and then give it a good amount of camber in the front to get that drift car look. And also you need camber on a drift car for functionality. We're gonna get this thing looking super aggressive. I do have coilovers for it. I don't know if I'm gonna have time to throw it on in this video, but we are gonna get this thing dumped to the ground. This ride height is pretty unacceptable to me. About 1.5 inches, actually about 2 inches of wheel gap, so we're gonna actually drop that down quite a bit. So this car is gonna be it's gonna be a scraper going over bumps and stuff, which I'm okay with because this car was extremely cheap, so I don't mind getting it a little bit damaged. Let's get this front end on. Alright boys, so I gotta end this video off right here. The car's right behind me. I did do a few more things to it since you guys seen it. A lot of stuff off camera, but I'll show you guys in the next video. Next video is more than likely gonna be titled why the G37 sedan is the best drift car you can get in 2024. Yes, I know it's a bold statement, but I can back it up. But yeah, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, go follow me on Instagram. Peace out.